It's a mega tangle. So the first tangle is arukas, and it starts with orbs, and then you connect the orbs with one line, and then you aura that line. You can connect as many as you want. Then you're going to aura the orb, making sure to go under the lines that are coming out of and to the other orbs. And then you're going to repeat this process over and over again for as many layers as you want. So each time you just want to make sure that the next part of the tangle you're doing on the most recent aura'd section. So see how I'm making these lines and they're going from the newest aura to the newest aura. And that's what will happen. So it's a tangle pretty much about auras, which is what's so cool about it, because it's so repetitive that you're just, for me, I just get into a flow where my mind can't think of any of the other junk that's going on. And for me, that's the whole point of zentangle. It's a personal journey about checking in on if I'm holding my breath or holding the pen too tight. And the tangle at the end is a bonus. The more you take the time to check in with yourself throughout your tangle and adjust things that you notice that you do, whether it's holding the pen too tight or holding your breath or biting the inside of your cheek, clenching your jaw, all those things that we talk about, the more you notice these things and address them, your tangles will start to change. And we talked about angry tangling. I've attempted to angry tangle. It doesn't work out so well. So usually if, for some reason I'm in a mood, I just take a moment to take some breaths and center myself and then go into tangling. Angry tangles are not the coolest looking tangles. So to me, this ended up turning out like kind of steampunk. If I would have known that, I probably would have added like maybe some copper colored platinum watercolors or that kind of thing. But I actually really love it black and white. So enjoy working with shading. You can check out, I have classes, recorded classes on my website. All the links are in my bio and Etsy shop. And I usually go live at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time.